To access Google Classroom, we will receive an email invite from our trainer on the email ID provided to them. The invite would look like this. As you can see, the invite will have the words Classroom Invitation. We will now open the invite email. Once we open the invite email, we need to scroll to the bottom of the invite and click the Join button. After clicking the Join button, you may receive an option that says Open With. You will get an option with 3 dots. Select those 3 dots and then select the Classroom option. If you have more than one email ID set up on your phone, it may ask you to select the email ID to access Google Classroom. You need to select that email ID. Now you are able to access Google Classroom. You will notice 3 options once you access Google Classroom. They are Stream, Classwork, and People. Let's take a look at each option one by one. In the Stream section, you will be able to see training material, assignments, and updates posted by your trainer. You will also be able to access training material and assignments in this section. Now I have chosen to view new material day 9. Using this method, I'm able to revise the topic taught on day 9. The topic that was taught on day 9 was telecalling. An assignment related to telecalling has also been prepared and posted in the Stream section, which has to be completed. This is the assignment sheet that was created on the basis of a telecalling topic. That assignment has to be completed. Once you access the online assessment document, you may get an option that says Open With. Choose the 3 dots or the More option and select Chrome to open the document. Once the document is open, we can now complete our assignment. For any updates in the classroom, we need to scroll to the bottom of the Stream page. The faculty of this batch, Harsha Sharma, has shared an update, which is a Google link, and that Google link tells us to join on this link at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning for a guest lecture. So a guest lecture has been organized by the faculty, and the update about that guest lecture is posted in the Stream section. The Stream section also contains training material and assignments conducted on different days of training. In case you miss out a day in training, you can access the training material in the Stream section. Now let's talk about the Classwork section. Classwork section only contains study material. Once you've read all the updates from the Stream section and would like to access the training material, you can access it from the Classwork section. However, updates will not be visible in the Classwork section. Let's talk about the People section. This section contains names of your trainers and the classmates that are part of your batch. This section comes in handy when you are a new member in your batch and you would like to know the names of your classmates and your trainers. Hope this video was helpful to provide you with basic information about Google Classroom. We'll meet again for another video. Till then, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.